Electro-Tech UG. Current technology, future excellence.
I welcome you once again to Electro-Tech UG. We are going to talk about how to repair a pressure washer. Has it randomly stopped, turned it off and on, and it has failed to start? This is the best video for you. I would like to also inform you that Electro-Tech UG will soon set up a site where we shall provide a number of services. Before you start with any troubleshooting, make sure that you have all the necessary tools. Check the supply cable and the fuse to see if they are still okay. Next, open your washer and make sure that you place everything where you can easily trace it from. It's now time to troubleshoot the internal electrical components. First, you can check your motor to see if it is still continuous. You check the windings. Since it is a single phase motor, you have to check the start capacitor, the switch, and as well as the pressure switch. Those are the components that you have to troubleshoot. After troubleshooting, on our side we realized that the problem was with the pressure switch, and this is a common fault to almost all pressure washers, and in fact it's one of the priorities that should always be checked before doing any other troubleshootings. So on our side we had to clean the valve that was clogged, since it was no longer detecting pressure presence inside the pump. And for your information, this switch is always in a normally closed condition, and under abnormal conditions or failure to detect pressure presence, it will go to a normally open condition. Having put back the switch and the system given a test run, everything was working as expected.